So I posted erratically on the channel, on the blog the past weeks. So maybe you missed my boxing video and my tutorial last week, and maybe the filters that I tested. Everything is now on the blog. If you missed them, the links are down below. I had a really busy summer compared to 2020 and 2021, which isn't a surprise, but I was still overwhelmed by the events and overwhelmed by the work. I'm currently finessing that dance video that I've been working on now for weeks, on and off. I really hope I will be able to release it next week. Now, that boxing video, we did a little behind the scenes video that I haven't released yet. But the interesting part is that we filmed it with our phones for practical reasons. And I thought that maybe you would be interested in my thoughts on this interesting tool. If you are following this channel, you probably already know that for my behind the scenes videos, usually I use a 360 degrees camera. Why? Because it's easy to use. I can just take it out my bag, put it somewhere, press the record button, and worry about framing and composing my shots later. But there are some limitations. There are some camera movements that I cannot do because physically, once it's in place, it doesn't move. I can zoom in, zoom out, pan in post, but that's it. Now, if I want to make it simple, if I want my camera to physically move in my scenes for my behind the scenes videos, the next best thing after my 360 camera is my phone, that video camera that is always in my pocket. Years later, I am still doing it. Great for direct posts on social media. Gimbals are now really common these days. They've been around for a while. Even your phone footage needs a bit of stabilization. It makes your videos look better. Enters the Vimble 3 by FeiyuTech. Once I received it, I tested some of the options I use the most on the app. If I'm alone, of course, I will be using AI tracking. You can also select and track objects. Basic walk. Run. And you can use the joystick to compose your shots and do clean pans. Another important feature of the app is to have manual controls. So when I filmed that boxing video, my assistant used the Vimble 3 and her phone to film the behind the scenes video.
Things break down. Not just more money as things break down.
If you are interested in seeing the complete behind-the-scenes video of this project, tell me in the comments below. My assistant also used the Vimble 3 during another project a few weeks ago, and it was a very difficult shoot because there was a lot of wind that day. You can actually see that when you look closely at the water. The gimbal struggled a bit. The wind was very hard on the motors, but it still did a pretty good job given the extreme situation. This tool unlocks new possibilities and gives you more freedom when you film with your smartphone. I love how easy it is to set it up. It takes literally seconds. It's light, portable, pretty well made. I just regret it doesn't come with a hard case. If you are into Reels or TikTok stuff, yes, I'm talking like an old man, you can switch to a vertical position really quickly and make your silly videos. At around 129 euros here in France, I really believe that this piece of tech is affordable. It will really help you make better images with your smartphone. If you are creating content exclusively for the web, for social media, then you don't need much more than the Vimble 3 and your smartphone. If you want to learn more about FeiyuTech, the Vimble 3, please go check out the official website. All the links are in the description box below. Now, I have at least 5 videos, behind-the-scenes videos, that are waiting patiently on my hard drive. Really special sessions that I cannot share right now because I'm using gear that I cannot talk about. I really hope that I will be able to share at least the first video at the end of this month. Fingers crossed. Yeah, can't wait. But next week, on the channel and on the blog, I will be back with sessions and behind-the-scenes videos that I haven't shared yet. So be ready for that. Plus, for my premium members, I also have some exclusive content waiting for you coming next week. Be also ready for that. And I guess that is it. I really hope that you enjoyed this one, and I will catch you in the next one. Until then, you know what to do. Take care, and please have a good one.